Sorry, what was I going to say? My apologies, my mind has completely gone blank. This is a common question I get asked. What do you do if mid-presentation, during your workshop, your mind completely goes blank? How do you handle this situation? The first thing to do is to remain calm while under pressure, while under fire. Even though you know that you've lost your train of thought, the audience out there, you guys don't know that I've lost my train of thought. Here's the secret. You have no idea what I'm going to say next. Nor do I. And if I don't tell you that I've lost my track, people have no idea. So the first thing is remain calm while under fire. The second tip is go back to core message. We generally only have one big core message in a presentation, in a seminar, that unequivocal, without a doubt. There's no doubting what I'm saying here. That core message, just go back to it, reinforce it, reiterate it, tell a bit of story around it, and that generally gives you time. You can tread water as you gather your thoughts. And the reality is, if that thought that you lost doesn't come back, it doesn't matter. Once again, people do not know. And the third thing, while I'm speaking to you without notes, and this is just coming spontaneously, I do have a cheat sheet. And when I present, when I train, when I do a keynote, I do have a cheat sheet. And I can look at point 1, point 2, point 3 and realise I've just forgotten point 2. This can be on a palm card, this can be on an A4 sheet of paper, whatever you need to bring up the front, just to remind you to go back. Tip 4, let's say the memory lapse relates to some complicated statistics, a extensive quotation, a quote, and you cannot remember it word for word, and you want to be respectful to the person who made the quote. It's okay to grab your notes for that particular passage. So let me share some statistics with you relating to elder abuse across Australia. Just one moment. At any one time in Western Australia, there's 15,000 people over the age of 65 experiencing elder abuse. And that's according to Advocare WA, 15,000 West Australians. You're allowed to do that. Tip 5, when you lose your way. You can ask the audience to do something. So I'll get you all out there in video land. Have a quick chat to the person next to you. What have you learnt so far? What's your number one takeaway? I'll give you 60 seconds to have that conversation. You're having that conversation. I'm scrambling for my notes. I'm checking where I am. Okay, can everyone come back? I bring you back. And now I've recovered by looking at my cheat sheet, my notes, and you do not know that that little exercise that we've just done was purely to help me recover with the brain drain. So the next time you stand up and speak and your mind goes blank, don't panic, remain calm and have one of those strategies in place. May you be successful in your speaking journey and your presentation skills journey. This is Peter Dew.